Okay, in this video, we are going to do long division polynomials, and we have two problems. This will be the first one, and this will be the second one. And if you want to pause the video and attempt it, feel free. Okay, so I'll do the first one. So the very first step is to rewrite this. So we're going to write it as x squared minus x minus 6 is being divided by x minus 3. Now our very first step is to look at our highest power, which is x squared, and our highest power here is an x. So we think to ourselves, x times what gives you x squared? And x times x is x squared. So I'm going to place the x right here so it's in line with this x. Now our next step is to multiply this x times x, and we get x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Now what we're going to do is take this piece and we're going to subtract it by this piece. So we need to make this piece negative. This is already negative, and a negative minus a negative gives you a positive. And now we're going to combine. So x squared minus x squared is 0. Negative x plus 3x gives you positive 2x. And now we're going to bring down this negative 6, and we'll have 2x minus 6. Now our next step is, now our highest power is 2x, and we have an x here. X times what gives you 2x? X times 2 is 2x. So we're going to put a positive 2 here. So now we got to do the exact same thing. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And again, we got to subtract. So this is positive. Now make it negative. This is negative. Make it positive. And when you combine, you get 0. So there's no remainder. And so x squared minus x minus 6 divided by x minus 3, our final answer would be x plus 2. And that's all you need to do for this problem. This is the second one, very similar, but if you want to pause the video, feel free. So first step, we got to rewrite this as 2x raised to the 4th minus, now here the highest power was a 4, then a 2. There wasn't a x cubed. So what I'm actually going to do is put plus 0x cubed as a placeholder minus 5x squared. Again, no x, so as a placeholder, I'll put plus 0x minus 12. It's being divided. We got 2x squared plus 3. And the same first step. We see the highest power here is 2x to the 4th. The highest power here is 2x squared. We think to ourselves, 2x squared times what gives you 2x to the 4th? And that's going to be x squared. So I'm going to put x squared right here because it corresponds to x squared. Again, x squared times 2x squared is 2x to the 4th. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. So this again is a 0. Then plus 3x squared. Now we take this piece, we subtract it by this piece, so this was positive, make it negative. The 0 doesn't matter, this was positive, make it negative. And we're going to combine. So 2x to the 4th minus 2x to the 4th, it cancels. 0 plus 0, it cancels. Negative 5x squared minus 3x squared gives you negative 8x squared. And I'll just bring down this stuff. Positive 0x minus 12. So our next step is, our highest power is negative 8x squared, x squared. Here we have 2x squared, so x squared. So we think to ourselves, 2x squared times what gives you negative 8x squared? And that's going to be a negative 4. And I'll put it right here. So negative 4 times 2x squared is negative 8x squared. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And again, we got to take this piece, we subtract it by this piece. This is already negative, make it positive. This is negative, make it positive. And when you combine negative 8x squared plus 8x squared, it cancels. 0 and 0, it cancels. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0, so it cancels. So there's no remainder. Actually, in the next video, we're going to do problems where there will be a remainder. But for these two problems, there weren't. And our final answer is x squared minus 4. This is the answer to 2x raised to the 4th minus 5x squared minus 12 divided by 2x squared plus 3. And this right here is our final answer. And that's pretty much it regarding long division polynomials.